Still flowing. Still flowing. Oh man, it's all foggy. What's up guys, Jason here at the Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for being a subscriber. Alright guys, so it's the morning of June 5th. It's actually a Thursday morning here at the Minto household. Had to take a day off because been having trouble with the hot water tank. Something's leaking. So we're just, right now we're draining the water. I have a plumber coming in and putting a brand new system in. I believe he's putting in a brand called Stihl. So yeah, let's go inside, take a look at the water tank. But right now we're just emptying it. And so me and my father-in-law, actually Bob's here. So father-in-law Bob, so he's gonna help me and we'll pull it out. So the new tank, when the plumber gets here, we'll be ready to go. All right, father-in-law Bob saying it's almost empty. Say good morning.
Good morning.
All right, guys. So if you've seen in previous videos, we've done some videos on this Rheem, and we had it fixed once, maybe a year or two ago. It's a 2020. We put it in October, so she's less than 5 years old. And about 2 years ago, she was throwing a code alarm, which we did a video on. There's a fix for that. It's leaking again. I don't know if this is a COVID tank. This is made during COVID. But we're not going to spend the money to have it repaired. I was already about $400 into it. I'm not going to spend another $400 to get it repaired when it's already 5 years old. So it's coming out, new one's going in, and we already got it disconnected. Electric's off, in and out. Pipes are disconnected, and but she was leaking down at the bottom of the tray here. We found water in here, and there's an alarm system on the bottom. If it detects water, it goes off. And when the alarm goes off, this Rheem leak guard, it actually turns the water off. So yeah, that's the plan. We're just gonna wait for it to drain, pull it out, and then we'll be ready for the plumber when he gets here.
You thought you got that right.
No. Oh, is it actually? All right, right now we're using the dolly and we're pulling the tank out. Father-in-law Bob is in control. There he goes, a little bit of water.
Any water coming out?
Yeah, it is coming out, Bob.
Where's it coming out at?
Right where your feet's at. It's like pouring out.
Really?
Yeah, just go. Just go. There you go.
I'm gonna go backwards.
All right, let me grab the door.
Yep. Oh, we gotta turn it around here now. Coming down. One more. There you go. There we go. And she's out. Where do you want to set it at?
Alright guys, so we took the tank out. I noticed there was a bit of a gap in the drywall on the floor, and sometimes we always get mice because we live in the woods here and they kind of come in. I'm not sure if that was one of their entry points, but so we use this great stuff from Lowe's. It's to fix gaps and cracks. You know, it's like a foam, real sticky stuff. But I've always had trouble when you use them. It seems like it's just a one-time use can, right? You don't use it up. It's like all this stuff gets in these nozzles and it's like they're done. But I saw someone on YouTube said you could use like a goo gun or a goo off, and you just kind of spray it all in here and see if that'll clean, you know, take all the sticky stuff so you can reuse the can again. So we're going to clean this up with this Goo Gone and see if this will preserve the can for a second use. Alright guys, so here is the new tank. It's a lot taller and thinner. This tank will have an expansion tank and I'm hoping Dave, the plumber here, can explain a little bit of that. I also want him to kind of explain to you guys. It makes a difference on where you buy your water tank at. There's a big difference from Lowe's and Home Depot than like a certified plumber in the supply chain that he can pull from. I would like for him to kind of go over just to let you guys know. You're going to spend more money, but you're probably going to have fewer problems in the long run, right? But this is a state water heater. It's a Pro line. It's a commercial grade, and this is a 40-gallon and electric. So it's definitely a lot taller than the old one. But yeah, hopefully Dave will give us some education today. All right, guys. So the tank is done. Dave, my plumber. He's kind of old school. He didn't want to be videotaped or anything in the house. So I respect that. So no problem. But yeah, he did a great job, and he put an expansion tank on it, so that I guess in a lot of homes now that is code. He was saying, so as the water heats up in the tank, it's got room for expansion to move around. But I mean, he did a really nice job. Beautiful shutoff valve. Just a really nice clean job. He did have to extend up the pipes to because this tank was a lot taller, but he was really saying the components were really what sets this apart from like really legit like hot water tanks from plumbers in their network of what I can get them. But really the components inside, the glass lining's usually thicker. So yeah, we should definitely get way more usage and years longevity out of this model. So I really appreciate it. That guy was a pro. He was extremely efficient. He knew what he was doing, and just really happy. So hopefully we saved him a little bit of time, cut the cost down by Bob and I taking up the tank, draining it, and getting it ready. So good to go. So all right, guys, that's it. Just wanted to give you an update on the hot water tank saga we've been going through the last few years. So my recommendation is if you're going to get a hot water tank, skip Walmart, Home Depot, or Home Depot and Lowe's, and just go strictly to like a distributor that has plumbing supplies. I think the plumbers usually can get a discount on what it costs to get the tanks. You might have to pay a little bit more, but I'm pretty sure what he was saying, any consumer can go into these places and buy a tank. It's just you might be paying a little bit more, but you're definitely getting a better quality hot water tank. So leave a comment below if you disagree or you agree. I'd appreciate it. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. See you next one. Bye, guys.